What if I told you this Pagani is not built for speed records, not for racetracks, but purely to flex timeless luxury? Most hypercars scream for attention, this one whispers, and still costs more than your entire future. And before we start, if you are a specific Huayra lover, watch Pagani Huayra Imola on the channel that already crossed 1.5k views so clearly. Pagani lovers are built different. So here's the real question. Would you rather own the loudest Pagani, or the most elegant one ever made? Alright, welcome to the Pagani Huayra Codalunga. So, Codalunga literally means long tail, and it's inspired by those 1960s Le Mans race cars. This is basically Pagani saying, less drama, more class. The body is stretched, cleaner, smoother, there are no crazy wings and none of that aggressive aero madness. It just looks calm, but hey, that calm costs millions. This car is made for collectors who don't need to prove anything. Would you pick aggressive hypercar looks, or this kind of silent luxury flex? Yes, it still has the AMG twin-turbo V12, and yes, it still makes around 840 horsepower, but this isn't a prove-something car. This is a Huayra special built for people who are already, kind of bored of speed. Fast is normal at this level. Smooth is, honestly, pretty rare. Is more horsepower still exciting? Or maybe is character more important now? Only 5 units exist. There's no marketing hype here. No public launch drama either. Pagani didn't actually sell this car, they approved owners. That's when you know this isn't just a car, it's really an invite-only lifestyle. Would you rather buy a car anyone can order, or one you have to be chosen for? The Pagani Huayra Codalunga feels like it belongs to people who value taste over noise. The kind of personalities who don't need to announce their success. Someone like Leonardo DiCaprio, who keeps his image clean and timeless. Or Cristiano Ronaldo, who represents controlled perfection rather than chaos. Even a true car enthusiast like Jay Leno fits this vibe perfectly, someone who appreciates craftsmanship, history, and engineering more than attention. This isn't a social media flex car. It's a collector's piece for people who understand luxury without needing validation. Do you see yourself owning a car like this for attention, or for pure appreciation? So, talking about price, honestly, it's beyond the reach of many elites. We're talking around $7 million or more, depending on just how personal you want it. And yeah, all sold out instantly. Because at this level, money doesn't compete. Connections do. If you had the money today, could you actually get one? Now listen carefully. If you love Pagani Huayra, and you enjoy the aggressive, insane side of hypercars, you need to watch my Pagani Huayra Imola video next. And that car is the exact opposite personality of Codalunga. Imola is angry, Codalunga is elegant. So, are you watching both? That's when you really, truly understand Pagani. So, which one are you clicking first? Rage or royalty? Alright, so this is the Pagani Huayra Codalunga. Not really built for attention, but yeah, it still totally gets it. Now be honest, would you actually daily this? Or would it just sit in your dream garage forever? Drop your answer below. And hey, if hypercars like this are your thing, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.